What's going on, everybody? Josh Oakley here. Hadn't been here in a while. We've been doing some other stuff, but we're back in the shop tonight trying to get some things done. So let me show you what we got going on. Alright guys, so what we got going on, you can see we got the car sitting on blocks and we are starting to put the body back on here. Got Mr. Diesel and Daddy working on it, and me. But yeah, we're trying to get this back half hung, and then we'll move forward with it. But that's what we got going on, so we'll take you along with us tonight. Alright Diesel, so what we doing tonight?
Trying to get this bumper hung on the back of this thing and get it all riveted up and see how much of it we can get put back together. Make it look like a race car again.
10-4, y'all heard it from him. you going? Yeah. Is that like full basement a little bit? Oh,
Lord. What did I do?
if you do this, this thing hot, and the little thing, and the grip will give you so I'm just saying.
I will. Do them through that, pull them down through that. That's when you drill that. That's why it does. You got it?
Alright, so I got the package tray put in and some of the crush panels hooked up there, and it was kind of a pain in the butt, but we got it. Turned out alright, so we'll have to come back in here tomorrow and we'll gotta still make this rocker panel right here, and then we'll start moving on with the rest of the body. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, everybody, we're back in the shop here. It's Saturday morning. We're supposed to have a few guys coming down to help us out a little bit today, so we're gonna see if we can get right much accomplished today. So we'll see what's going on.
What's going on, everybody? This lovely cold Saturday morning here in North Carolina. We're out here in the shop already this morning, trying to get the crush panels and rocker panels and all that put on the car so we can finish up the body and see if we can get this thing fired up, hopefully real soon.
All right, ain't nobody met Jay yet. This is my man, Justin Allen. He's my main man. He's a spotter. He's the one that keeps us safe during the race. So y'all hadn't met him, but y'all will be seeing a lot more of him. And that's Justin's dad. He don't want to be on video, but we're gonna get him anyway. But he's damn good help, and we appreciate him. Yes, sir. You want? All right. I'll hold it up there. Where that gold sharp flag? I didn't even hear you drive up.
Gotta watch out for this thing. Where's the camera at? Oh.
I'm almost got it, boys. Just give me a second. So we got Diesel back here straightening out our old bumper bar that was bent up. Gonna try to reuse it. Them things ain't cheap, so we're gonna try to reuse it and put a new leg on it and let it ride. And we got Daddy over here straightening out the hood pin bar, trying to save a little money. Still according to that, it still needs some more. Come on. That's how we're gonna do it. Put it up. Well, our bar don't look like it's gonna work. It's too bent up. We made a new leg for it, but as you can see, it's still bent pretty bad, so we're trying to find another bar. So we got our new, to me, MSD box here, but you can see the bolt pattern doesn't line up quite right, so we're going to have to redrill this plate and remount the little rubber vibration bushings. We got our new MSD box mounted, and got a new coil mount, so that turned out pretty good. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for this one. We done all we can do today. I appreciate these. Thank these guys right here for coming out to help. They helped us out a lot. We got a lot accomplished. So that's gonna do it for today's video. We'll see y'all on the next one.